Hey there friends, Nibs again. Out here at the range today, doing a little bit of goofing around, and I wanted to do a couple videos for you guys, something a little bit different. I haven't been doing a lot of this lately. I had been doing a lot of target pistol shooting years ago, but I kind of got into the pellet guns and kind of drifted away from this for a while, but it is such a nice day. I really wanted to get out and do some old school 22 target shooting. And this one that we're going to be taking a look at here is a really cool member of my target pistol family. This one, it is clear. The magazine is out and the bolt is open. But you guys are looking at this and you're saying, oh, that's a Ruger Mark II, which for the most part you are correct. But this is actually an AMT brand. They call this the AMT Lightning, and this was so in the like late 80s, early 90s. The patent on the Ruger Mark II had run out, and AMT jumped right on the bandwagon. This is the story that I've read about this anyway, and started producing this pistol. Even though the patent was run out, it didn't stop Ruger from suing the pants off of AMT, and they pretty quickly went out of business from what I heard after that. But before that happened, they were able to produce some really cool pistols like this. They had like the Pocket 380, which I've had a couple of those. And we're gonna shoot, I'm about 22, 24 feet away from the target here. Nothing too crazy, but we're gonna go ahead and shoot a couple magfuls, 2 or 3 anyway, and see what we can do. Occasionally I get a stovepipe on this guy, so hopefully we'll have some clean running on this guy and it will behave on camera here. So let's go ahead and give it a try. I am shooting this with Federal Auto Match, and it seems to really like this ammo pretty well. It's got a really long barrel on it, so it's got a nice sight radius. And that's a good way to start. All right, it's behaving so far. When I first got this, it was wintertime. I haven't shot it in well over a year, but it was wintertime when I got it, and the oil on it was pretty stiff, and it would not cycle. So I was a little leery that it wasn't going to work, but I've shot a couple of mags off camera before I started it up, and it did pretty well. It's a nice hot day today, so the lubricant that's in there is not nearly as stiff as it was on that cold winter day when I brought it out the first time and tried it. But there's another 10. All right, let's go to 12 o'clock. There's a stovepipe. All right, I gotta clear that. Stand by. I'm sure the gun just needs a real good cleaning. That's awesome. Let's do at least one more. So this guy does have the ability to mount some sort of optic on here. I might have to, so I have been shooting my Supermatic Citation for Bullseye League in the wintertime, but I may have to look into mounting a red dot up on this guy and seeing what I can do as far as bullseye shooting. Got some folks over where they were shooting inside. They said they were going to be coming outside. I wanted to get over here and do some pistol shooting before they came out. So if they're looking to come in here, I might have to wrap it up here pretty shortly. All right, let's go to 9 o'clock. Got a really nice trigger. Looks like they're getting ready to stroll in. I can get one more done, I think. Hi. All right, let's do one more and then we'll wrap it up. There we go. So 3 o'clock. Oh, another, not quite a stovepipe, just come, get in there, there we go. Wow, that is some fantastic grouping. I think I'm definitely going to have to get this guy a red dot on here and see what we can really push out of it. Stand by for that. I'm going to let these guys come in and start doing some shooting. Hope you guys liked the video. Till next time, have a great day.